Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sachin V. Bangale, working as an Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, GM Mehta, College of Science, Tala. Now I am here to teach the compounds of xenon. Here, content of the today's discussion, xenon difluoride. That is the molecular formula XeF2, xenon tetrafluoride, molecular formula XeF4, and last one is the xenon hexafluoride. That is the molecular formula XeF6. These are the whole periodic table. In this periodic table, the group 18 elements position in periodic table. Here, the red color box, all these are the noble gaseous. Firstly, we will discuss the xenon difluoride. Its molecular formula XeF2. It is a compound of xenon with fluorine. Xenon exhibits +2 oxidation state in this compound. The preparation of XeF2 when a mixture of xenon and fluorine in the ratio of 2:1 is heated at 400 degrees centigrade in a sealed nickel vessel. XeF2 is formed. See the reaction. These are the xenon on react with F2 in presence of 400 degrees centigrade as a temperature. By using sealed nickel vessel, XeF2 is formed. Then dioxygen difluoride reacts with xenon at about 180 degrees centigrade to give xenon difluoride. See the reaction XeF2, Xe plus O2F2, it gives XeF2 and loss of oxygen molecule. These are the preparation of XeF2 molecule. Then structure and bonding of the XeF2 molecule. See the xenon in ground state electronic configuration 5s2, 5p6, 5d0, and xenon is in excited state electronic configuration in 5s2 electron, in 5d 2 to 1 electron and 5d1 electron. Hence the hybridizations of the xenon in excited state sp3d 1 5s 3 5p and 1 5d atomic orbital hybridizes to give 5sp3 hybridized orbital. The two orbitals which are singly occupied are used by two fluorine atoms to form bond with xenon, and the rest of the three are occupied by the lone pairs. The structures of XeF2. XeF2 is a linear molecule. F bound xenon bound F valency bound representation of XeF2 may be explained of one of the 5p electron is promoted to the 5d electron. And see these are the pictures of the structures of XeF2 molecule. Xenon difluoride is a linear molecule with a xenon F bound length 197.73 picometer in the vapor stage and 200 picometer in the solid phase. The packing arrangement is solid. Xenon fluoride shows that the fluorine atom of neighboring molecules avoid the equatorial regions of each XeF molecule, and this agrees with the predictions of valency shell electron pair repulsion theory, which predict that there are three pairs of non-bonding electrons around the equatorial regions of the xenon atom. Then uses of xenon difluoride. Xenon difluorides are used either oxidized and fluorinate the hetero elements in an organometallic compound, but does not attach the alkali or aryl groups. Used as a very convenient for detections and determination of very small amount of iodine and iodine based on oxidations of iodine to periodate, used to kill bacteria, powder, lasers and traces as an antiseptic. It is preferred to power spacecraft in deep space as a fuel for ion engine. The next compound, that is the xenon tetrafluoride. The molecular formula of xenon tetrafluoride XeF4. It is a compound of xenon with fluorine. Xenon exhibits +4 oxidation state in the XeF4 molecule. Preparation of XeF4. XeF4 is obtained is a good amount by heating a mixture of xenon and fluorine in the molar ratio 1:5 at 873 Kelvin and 7 bar pressure in a enclosed nickel vessel for a few hours. See the reaction: xenon gas plus 2F2 gas by using 873 Kelvin 7 bar pressure, it gives xenon tetrafluoride. The physical properties of XeF4 molecule: it is a colorless, crystalline solid and can be sublimated. Its melting point at 390 Kelvin. XeF2 is a strong oxidizing and fluorinating agent. The structures of xenon tetrafluoride. See the structure of xenon tetrafluoride here. The XeF4 is a planar molecule. Valency bond representation of XeF4 may be explained if two electrons from 5p orbitals are promoted to 5d orbital. And here these are the whole pictures of the XeF4 molecule. One of 5s 3 5p and 2 5d atomic orbitals of xenon hybridizes to give sp3d2 hybridized orbital. The 4 singly occupied hybridized orbitals are used by 4 fluorine atoms for bond formation, and the rest of 2 are unoccupied by lone pairs. In valence shell electron repulsion pair theory, the structures of XeF4 is a square planar. It is a octahedral, but because of the lone pairs, it indicates their 6 domain around the central atom, and the VSEPR theory states as AX4E2 space with 2 lone pairs in square planar. These are the structures of the XeF4 molecule. Then last molecule, that is the XeF6, is prepared by heating xenon with fluorine gas at 573 Kelvin by using 60 to 70 bar pressure, where the ratio between xenon and fluorine is 1:20. These are the xenon gas on reaction with 3F2 by using 573 Kelvin as a temperature, 60 to 70 bar pressure, it gives solid XeF6. Then preparation of XeF6 molecule. XeF6 can be prepared by heating a mixture of xenon and fluorine in the ratio 1:20 in a nickel vessel at 600 K under 60 to 70 bar pressure. And here in the molecular formula of XeF6, it is a compound of xenon and fluorine, and xenon exhibits +6 oxidation state in this compound. These are the reactions of the XeF6 molecule. In structures of XeF6 molecule, here Xe atom is ground state electronic configuration, Xe atom is excited electronic configuration, and here the hybridizations of 5s, 5p and d orbital, its hybridization sp3 d3 hybridization. Xenon uses 6 of its valency electron in forming 6 s bonds with 6 fluorine atoms, while the remaining 2 electrons from a lone pair to accompany 7 electron pair. Therefore, xenon should exhibit sp3 D3 hybridization as shown here. These are the structures of HCF6 molecule. Here the xenon hexafluoride has sp3 D3 hybridization. Xenon has 8 electrons in its valency shell of 6 electrons from 6 bonds with 6 fluorine atom, while the remaining 2 electrons remains as a lone pairs in the structure. See, the structure is a distorted octahedral as the lone electron pair is located in the sp3d3 hybrid orbital. See the structures of the xenon hexafluoride molecule. Thank you.